Let's make protein rich Hara Bhara Kabab. I don't have fresh peas, so I'm using frozen green peas, and I'm going to boil spinach and peas together for some time, at least for 5 minutes. It's a good quantity. That's it. It's all boiled now. We're going to strain it. This is 1 cup of oats. I'm going to grind it for the binding. All done. Tofu inside the tissue paper so the moisture gets absorbed and we don't have to deal with extra moisture when we are making the dough for Hara Bhara Kabab. काफ़ी हद तक इसका पानी कम कर देंगे ताकि moisture ना रहे. So I've drained the water out from spinach and peas, adding 1 sweet potato in it. It's boiled. Steamed green moong sprouts for the extra protein. Some green chilies, garlic and ginger, coriander leaves and little salt. You can see. Now we're going to grind it. All done. Please add little bit of water अगर वो पीसा नहीं जा रहा है तो. मैंने थोड़ा सा पानी डाला था. And I have a smooth green paste now. Just see how thick this is. I'm going to remove this and start adding our spices. Jeera powder or cumin powder, amchur powder, little bit of garam masala, roasted flax seeds and sesame seeds, oat flour, breadcrumbs. After breadcrumbs, we are adding tofu. Now we're going to mix it all. Crumble the tofu like that and form a dough. If you feel your dough is little wet or you want to add more binding, you can add oat flour gradually depending on the consistency. It smells really nice. Now I'm adding slightly roasted besan or gram flour. You have to roast it वरना इसमें वो एक कच्चा सा टेस्ट होता है वो आएगा. Or oil to your palms so that when you roll a tikki it won't stick. अच्छा खासा size लेंगे and smash it. Cool. Our tikki is ready. Usually people put a cashew on top of it, so why not? Hara Bhara Kabab is ready. We are going to make tikkis and freeze them for 1 hour before we fry ताकि वो टूटे ना. Looks good to me. Smells good. Okay, for the dip, take some yogurt, add boiled beetroots to it, 2-3 strands of coriander leaves, few mint leaves, don't add much, we just want it for the freshness, green chili for the spice and few garlic cloves. I'm adding paneer for protein, black salt, cumin powder or jeera powder. Okay, now I'm adding peanut butter. I'm going to use my finger. You can see it has yogurt, paneer and peanut butter, which is a good source of protein. Lemon juice. That's it. Now we're going to grind this. It looks beautiful. So good. Crispy on the outside, soft inside, and the dip is really nice. It's so pretty. Look at the colors. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.